Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got £9, which is 3 cash bolts. So let's get scratching and see how well we do. Sunglasses, diamond, clover, moon, what's there? Can't see that then. Lemon, stack, cloud, sun, star, pound sign, gem, apple, chest, safe, glitter ball, seven. We got no doubles yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. VIP. And the last one is a cactus. So there's no win up on the top. Onto fingers. And we have roll, vault, coin and money tree. So nothing on the first one. On to the second. Star, palm tree. Oh. Didn't seem to want to scratch. Gold bar, moon, VIP, lemon, cactus, 7, pound sign, safe, heart, sunglasses, chest. Doesn't look like we're going to get any doubles again this time. Sun, stack, gem, apple and a wad. Nothing on the second one. Onto the fingers, and we have helicopter, boat, coin, and the last one. Oh, we have a winner. We have some fingers. £3, which is better than nothing. So 1 on each pile so far, 1 on the winners and 1 on the losers. What's this one going to be? See which pile this one ends up on. Ooh. Palm tree, glitter ball, diamond, moon, chest. Sorry? What did you say?
I was talking to myself.
Oh. Sorry guys, I've got a little helper sat on the table with me.
Okay.
7, lemon. Is this the third card with no doubles? Jeez.
Yes.
Star. Stack.
Great, this would be good.
Gold bar. Yeah, that will give us a win online too.
Yeah, Mama.
Apple. Card doesn't seem to want to scratch that easy today. Clover. Sun. What one do we need there, Roo?
A money bag would be good too.
Pound sign. Sunglasses. Cloud. Oh look, Roo, look what we need down the bottom.
Money bag.
Moustache. Well, we found a first double.
Yeah.
Not that it really helps us out.
You need a Jimmy too.
Why haven't I scratched gold bar?
Oh,
your wallet. Right, Roo, that wood's not there. Sorry, I've scratched the wrong one. Ignore that wood, okay?
okay.
Let me
What if you
just
scratch
check.
wood?
Well, I scratched wood instead of gold bar. And a crown. Makes no difference anyway. So again, no win on the top. On to fingers. And we have a wallet, pot of gold, helicopter, and a boat. So we had a £9 layout on that session. And we got £3 back. It's not great. It's not the end of the day. It's a win. So it's all good. If you want me to do any particular cards, leave a comment with what you want to see and I'll try and get them for you. If you liked what you've just watched, smash the thumbs up button for me. It will really help me out. Won't it, Roo?
Yeah. Well, everybody.
If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and I will see you again soon. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.